The adventure of the first hot air balloon ride. Are you ready for an adventure in the sky? Let's find out how the first hot air balloon ride was like. A long time ago, people wanted to fly high like birds. They invented the hot air balloon to float up into the sky. In 1783, two brothers named Joseph and Etienne Montgolfier made the first hot air balloon. They used a big balloon filled with hot air to lift off the ground. Hot air is lighter than the cold air outside. That's why the balloon goes up when the air inside it gets warm. To make the balloon rise, they would heat the air using a fire underneath. The hot air fills the balloon and makes it float up. When the hot air balloon floats, you can see everything from high up. It's like being on a magical flying adventure. Flying in a hot air balloon was a big adventure for people back then. It was the beginning of human flight and exploring the sky. Today, hot air balloons are still used for fun rides and to see beautiful views. They remind us of the first brave balloonists who started it all. Now you know about the first hot air balloon ride and how it all began. Thanks for joining us on this sky-high adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye!